And let's take a look at our demonstration first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now let's break things down. So for the first set of 8, you two are just going to be walking towards each other from two sides of the dance floor. Okay? So you can choose either on the left side or the right side. So we're going to walk towards each other for the first 8 counts. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So on count 8, you're going to reach for your partner's right hand, so we're in a handshake hold. Okay? On the next set of 8, we're going to walk around in a circle. So we go 2, 2, 3, 4. Now on count 5, leader, you're going to bring your partner's right hand high, draw a circle clockwise so that your partner turns to her right, and then you're going to place her hand above your head. We call this a face loop. So over your head, and then we're getting into a closed embrace. Okay, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on the next set of 8, we're just going to simply go side taps for 4 times. So leader, you're going to start with your left foot. Follower, you're going to start with your right foot. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. On the next set of 8, leader, you're going to gently send your partner out by bringing your hands forward. Follower, you're going to take 4 little steps going back, starting with your right foot, going 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you're separated. And then leader, you're going to bring your partner's right hand high. And you're going to draw a circle. Again, counterclockwise, so that your partner's going to her left. So you're going 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ending in the dance position. And now you're ready to do our dance pattern 1. Okay. Very simple. Let's do this intro for you one more time facing the back.